Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the HTTP error code 503 as well as the event error 5189 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The error message read HTTP error 503. The service is unavailable, and this error means that a website can't be reached at the moment because the server is not ready to handle the request due to a temporary overload or scheduled maintenance. Main causes of these errors are unexpected traffic spikes, server communications problems, resource usage exhaustions, DDoS attack, and plugin or theme incompatibility. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable WWEN and WLEN service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So once na open mo na tong services, at dito lang sa services local ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung WLEN auto config. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down, and then hanapin natin yung WLEN auto config at WWEN auto config. Alright? So, select mo lang itong WLEN auto config, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito lang sa kanyang properties, dito sa general at dito lang sa startup type. So, i-select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then dito sa running, i-click mo lang dito yung stop, and then wait natin. At dito sa service status, so i-click mo lang dito yung start at wait natin ulit. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay, right? So ang next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung WWEN auto config. So same procedure, kailangan mo lang i-select and double click. And dito lang sa kanyang properties at dito sa general, and then dito sa startup type, so i-select mo lang dito yung automatic, and then dito sa service status ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung start, and then wait natin. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply, and then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Ayan, in hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So one word yung //DNS at lahat ay small letter, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type, so enter mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH /wensec reset. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH /wensec reset. So in all small letter lahat, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully reset the Wensec catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, at dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix HTTP with the error code 503, service unavailable in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.